Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be showing how to prepare a model for magnetization in painting. Let's start by laying out the pieces. On the left are what I like to call the core of the model. These are the things that we will assemble and will not be swapped out between item swaps with the magnetization. On the right are all the bits that we have to magnetize. For cleaning up the model, I begin by cutting off the biggest chunks of leftover sprue, flashing, and mold lines. For this I like to use an extremely sharp number 11 blade. When cutting off these excess pieces of plastic, pay more attention to the contours of the plastic rather than the color. You can get a perfect contour of the plastic and still have discoloration for the excess pieces attached to your actual model. Don't worry about that, we'll paint over it later. After we're done cleaning up with the knife, I come back with a microfile and continue to contour and smooth out the various areas of the pieces. As you can see, there's no need to get new tools to use these techniques on metal. The same scalpel and files you use in the plastic work just as well in the metal bits. To measure magnets and drill bit, I like to stack them on the back end of the bit. This lets me ensure that the diameters are the same. Ideally, you want to be about 1/32 of an inch larger than your magnet diameter. I don't actually have a drill bit that is that much larger than my magnets. I have the exact same size. So when I put these holes in, they're actually really tight, and putting the glue in behind the magnet is actually pretty chore. I have to use a lot of pressure with a rod to actually shove the magnets all the way down and past the glue. Try your best to center the drill on the area you're going to magnetize. It may be useful to put a small divot with a knife to help your bit bite down on the initial few turns. Here I am using a hand-turned pin fastener for a drill. I discourage using a power drill for this, as it's extremely easy to just punch all the way through the piece you're drilling. You want to do your best to have the magnet as flush as possible with the surface of the plastic. If it's slightly raised, as you can see in the arms, you will have to have the opposing pieces slightly recessed to minimize the gaps when you're finally done and ensure it's a nice solid fit between pieces. And now we're done. All the pieces work together, although the gap in the figure's left hand is pretty excessive for the blade fists and power fists. I look forward to having you with me for finishing this figure. Have fun and enjoy your painting.